Good morning, children. Today we will study about India. India is our country, so my topic is India. Now look at the map of India very carefully. India is divided into 28 states and it is covered by Himalayas in the north. It is covered by Himalayas, and the highest peak of Himalayas in India is Kanchenjunga. Its name is Kanchenjunga. Now, in the northwest direction, there is a desert. This is called Thar Desert. This is called Thar Desert. Okay. Now come to the south direction. Here, in the southwest, there is a large water bodies known as Arabian Sea, and in the north, in the southeast, it is called Bay of Bengal, and in the south, these two waters together are called Indian Ocean. Now look at it again. This is Arabian Sea in the southwest direction and Bay of Bengal in the southeast direction and Indian Ocean in the south. Okay, now I'll tell you about national flag. This is also called Tiranga or tricolor. Why it is called Tiranga? Because it has teen rang. Teen rang means Tiranga. कौन सी तीन रंग? Saffron and white and green. Saffron stands for sacrifice, which our freedom fighters have done for us. White color stands for peace and truth, and green color stands for prosperity and happiness. And there is one blue chakra inside, white stripe. This is called Ashok Chakra. This is our national flag. Now I'll tell you more about India. It is also called Republic of India. India is also called Republic of India, and it is situated in Asian continent. As you know, there are 7 continents. One of them is Asia. So India is situated in Asian continent. Next is its capital. Its capital is New Delhi. New Delhi. And it is 7th in area. It is 7th area wise in the world, and its currency is rupee. Its currency is rupee. We celebrate our Independence Day on 15th August as we got freedom from Britishers on 15th August 1947. Now I'll tell you about national symbols of India. First of all, national animal. Our national animal is tiger. Our national animal is tiger. As you all see this picture, this is tiger. And our national bird is peacock. You might have seen peacock in jungles near your houses sometimes. It is peacock. It is peacock. And children, you know our national game is hockey. Hockey is our national game. Our national fruit, it is mango. I can show you. You might have seen mangoes on the trees nowadays. This is mango. Our national tree is banyan tree. Banyan tree. You have seen this? Banyan tree. And the last is our national flower. It is lotus. It is lotus. Now I repeat, our national animal is tiger and our national bird is peacock. National game is hockey. National fruit is mango. National tree is banyan tree and national flower is lotus. Okay children, now we will revise the chapter once again. Can you tell me which is the highest peak? Highest peak of Himalayas is Kanchenjunga. It is Kanchenjunga. And the name of the desert here in the northwest direction, it is called Thar Desert. It is Thar Desert. And our national flag is also called Tiranga. Because it has 3 colors. It is called Tiranga. Our Independence Day we celebrate on 15th of August. Our national flower, as I have told you, it is lotus. And number of states in India, it is divided into many segments known as states. They are 28 in number. And our currency is, it is rupee. With that, we come to the end of the lesson. I hope you understand the chapter well. Thank you.